Hey guys, right now I'll talk to you about an opportunity for this week. Is this a good time? Should you actually be looking at it? What do you think? Right, so I'm going to bring you on to the charts right now of gold. So if you actually look at my charts currently right now, this is GLD, this is the ETF of gold, all right, and as you all can actually see, there has been a significant downtrend, right? If you actually look at the actual gold futures, gold has actually dropped from over $2,000 an ounce to $1,800, right? And one thing you can actually very clearly see is this, right? If you're looking at the moving averages, from the 20 moving average is actually crossed down below, it's actually come down all the way to the 200-day moving average, right? So we see a huge sell-off in this. And what is a pattern that we see? I'm going to actually bring you all to the charts so you all can actually see something, all right? So every time you actually have a look, so this is the 3-year weekly chart, and you can actually have a look, right? Every time it comes to the red line over 3 years, it always bounces. And currently right now, if you look at the 3-year weekly chart, it's also had a bounce exactly at the EMA 50 line over the 3 years. And not only that, just yesterday we actually saw a green candle which actually shows a retracement as well. All right, so again, this is zooming out, but right now zooming back in, we actually see a very similar trend, but this time on the 200-day, right? And typically the 200-day is a very strong indicator. So hey, you know, one of the ways you can actually take advantage is by purchasing gold. Why? Because it's at a very strong support line, right? Why did the huge sell-off happen? Right? One of the major reasons why the huge sell-off happened is because, very simply, because of this, right? And this is the chart of BTC, right? So if you actually have a look, Bitcoin obviously over the last few weeks has actually increased tremendously to over $18,500, right, as of last close, and a lot of fund managers are actually shifting out from gold to digital gold, right, which is what they call Bitcoin. However, I don't foresee disappearance of gold. So hey, it's right now come to a great price. So what I actually have initiated in terms of a position, it's a buy call position on GLD for 1 year. All right, so the position that I've initiated is a buy call position for 1 year, and this is for 21st Jan 2022, and we're looking at a 170 call option. All right, so that's exactly what I'm doing. And in terms of exit, right, I will be looking to exit when it actually comes to the resistance point, right? So let's say, for example, the first resistance point we can actually see would be about 180. All right, so if you're looking at a short-term trade, then hey, entry at 170 and to exit at 180 would be a trade to take. If not, you can wait for the resistance at 194. My personal take is that it will probably rebound back up to about 180 where it will face a strong resistance. So this can be a relatively short to mid-term trade that you can actually possibly look to take in your portfolio. Alright, so that is a GLD, my friends. Yep, it is a position that I have vested interest in. So I hope you found this video useful, and let me know what other things you want me to look at. Cheers, and I'll see you in the next video.